backstage shit.
Yes.
So you're gonna be on YouTube then.
The passengers don't really see it, but the flight attendants do. We have a lot of different systems as far as controlling the lights, the lavatory. We get information on lavatory, smoke, all through a panel. You'll see as you walk out the front door. It's on the aircraft or on your right-hand side. And then you'll see another panel on the left-hand side, and that's going to be your entertainment, which is put on by Thales. But yeah, it's got a lot of neat options. We like it. But yeah, I like the sleek look. And when I sit in the seats in main cabin, they feel wider for some reason. They just feel a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
They really do.
90 degrees. So what we have done in the studies, we've said at about 6'3" and taller, if somebody's fully reclined, you might want to recline yours as well in order to see it. But
You really can't see that much next to you. That's cool.
so that way we don't have to edit content. So that we can show the movies with with all the
Oh, they're not
action.
going to be edited for American anymore?
Not in this.
Only with main display.
Yeah, because you don't have the option
Right.
to look at
that's
other look at what.
I liked how I noticed it said it has flight time. And I clicked on a movie and said, hey, you don't have enough time to finish that movie before you
Exactly.
I thought that was
Which have games, TV, audio. You can preview for free until 5 minutes after takeoff.
Okay.
So here's something that's really cool. Let's say we got a rolling gate delay because of weather. So 30 minutes in, you can watch a sitcom and anything else, and you don't get charged for it. It's not until you're watching airborne. So that's kind of, from a flight attendant perspective, takes kind of some like, they're not as antsy because they can do something.
if you take a delay.
Yeah.
About a delay in flight. Can they turn it?
Well, no, actually you can. There is a way to comp. So if we had an issue like an off schedule, like you just described, they can comp. They can do that as well. That's not automatic, but then the flight attendant can issue.
Hello, how are you?
Not movies, movies and studios.
You can play games with it?
Yeah, sure. That's what these are for, and then so you see the toggle here.
So you got a keyboard and
Yep,
everything.
and you have buttons up here. I mean, it's loaded up. You can even give us a call with it.
Definitely nice.
Yep.
Alright. You got bigger TVs on first class.
Yeah, yeah. And a few more selections. How are you? Good. Good.
But other systems we can use.